are stepping into an artist's studio to give you a project for your next open afternoon, a way you can get your feet wet with watercolor painting and call your first time try a win. The start to finish instructions make it into today's Project Corner.
Hi friends, I'm Rachel Nipper and I run the website iHeartCraftyThings.com. I'm super excited to have you here today in my dining room kitchen area because we are working on our latest black glue art project. It's just Elmer's glue mixed with black acrylic paint, and you use it to create gorgeous art projects like these seahorses that we recently made, or these pretty butterflies that are my favorite. The one that we're doing today is I've drawn up some cactus, and I'm going to go ahead and turn my camera around so you can get a closer look at how to create this beautiful black glue art project. And what you do is you just take your black glue that you've created, give it a little shake before you start, and then my trick is that I like to keep a napkin handy. It makes it so that I can use it to wipe the tip and everything so that the black glue doesn't collect on it. So now that I'm all prepped with my glue, I go ahead and can just start tracing it. Now I found that you hardly even have to actually press the tip to the actual picture. You can just kind of drag it along the top of it and trace along those lines. I like to do all of my big lines and circles first, and then I will go back in to do the details, like the little pricklies on the cactus. After you finish tracing your cactus with the black glue, you want to let it sit overnight to dry, and then when it's all dry, you can get out your watercolors that you want to use to paint it. I highly recommend liquid watercolors. They are my absolute favorite because they're so vibrant and work so well. What I like to do is I like to do a two-tone when I'm doing my painting. So I've outlined it, left some in the middle, empty. Now I'm going to come back in with this darker green color that I have. It's not too much different, just a little bit darker. And now I just come in the middle and just kind of mix the two together. Just creates this fun technique, cool look. You can see how vibrant, colorful these liquid watercolors are. Now I'm gonna let it sit and dry for about an hour, and then I might crinkle up some pink tissue papers and add them to some of these to make some pretty cactus flowers.
Okay, that is darling. Those tissue flowers were the perfect finishing touch. I love that. Since Rachel shared this with us, she has more templates for black glue art. You can get the glue and the paint ratios, plus the templates, downloads from her website, iHeartCraftyThings.com. And of course, we'll link you over. Rachel, thank you. That's so fun.